What's up, YouTube? Do you want to have everything done for you, even hosting? If so, stay with me because I got something really special in my review of Commission Robot. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear fedora, well, pretty much everywhere I go. And I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. Basically, to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of CARP.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, when are you learn to spell? I've been trying for months to get him to stop complaining. He won't stop complaining. Anyway, the way things work here is that if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you again, Liz Lemon. You see, she's a sweetheart. I love Liz. My cat decided to say hello. So, as regular viewers of the channel know, my cat likes to photobomb my videos. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit that bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't really mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we are on the sales page for Commission Robot. Now, basically, I wanted to just go over this thing really quick. Let's take a look at some of the claims here and see if it's honest or not. Also want to talk about my custom bonuses. So we can see here that first of all, the income claim, obviously, yeah, it's possible. I would say that that's being optimistic. Realistically, I could see you making significant sales, though. I would say $100, $200 a day would be easily done. There's absolutely not a question. $1,000 a day, it's not going to happen right away. Not with this, but $100, $200 a day, yes, you could definitely do $100 to $200 a day within a relatively short period of time using this software. It is really, really cool, actually. We're going to take a look at the members area in just a moment. So basically, where you go ahead is obviously you pay for a copy, and then you log in, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to just tell it, okay, I want to set up a sales funnel, a page promoting this, that, and the other products. And you can also set it up so that it will automatically allow you to drive traffic to this page, and it'll even host it for you. So it's actually pretty cool what it does. And now the price is going to go up by every single hour, so you do have to get in quickly. Starts at least $17. Sorry about the noise. I believe that was my dog. Anyway, it starts about $17 when you first get it, but it will go up to $97 by the end of the launch. So you do want to try to get in as soon as possible in order to get the best possible price. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a quick look now at the members area, and also want to talk to you about my bonuses. So basically, you're going to get 4 different bonuses from me. Now, these are actually provided by the vendor, so other people will probably be offering something similar. You're getting like 3,500 Instagram quotes, because I happen to like Instagram. You're getting a mega pack of software, and something about doing YouTube optimization, and I forget the 4th one. It doesn't really matter. What's important is that in addition to those things, what you're getting exclusively from me, which nobody else is going to give you, is going to be an Instagram shout out to my over 7,000 subscribers on Instagram. So that's going to be really cool. Instagram shout out for 7,000 subs. Typically, you'll spend anywhere from $20 to $50, sometimes as much as $100 in order to get a shout out like that. That's not hyperbole. That's just the pricing. That's what it costs. And you're getting one from me for free when you pick up Commission Robot through me I'm the only one who's going to offer this. I can pretty much guarantee that nobody else is going to offer you a deal like that. If you pick up any upgrade, you're also going to get another 8 bonuses from me. Again, those are coming from the vendor. And I'm also going to be offering you, if you pick up the full funnel, you're going to get 3 months of direct access to my cell phone. This is a $97 per month thing. And I don't offer this all that often anymore because I'm getting busier and busier. I don't really have time to offer coaching as much as I would like to. And I've been told by people I should actually raise my pricing. I haven't raised my pricing yet. I'm still at $97 per month for the coaching. Uh, and I am basically a six-figure marketer at this point. I do, on average, about $10,000 per month in sales. So I do know what I'm doing. I've already had 2 products that have been deal of the day on Warrior Plus. I am a top 10% vendor on Warrior Plus, so I do know what I'm doing. Not to toot my own horn. Hey! No, not yeah. Well, kind of like that. Anyway, but so let's take a look at the members area over here. So this is the members area. When you first log in, you'll see the dashboard here. Shows you how many products you have, how many active, how many scheduled. Very, very basics and very simple. So what you can do is like this. You can go here to add product. And I love this. It's very simple to use. Basically, so you're going to put in a product. So let's say that you have, I don't know, let's say Boost Opt-in, my product. Okay. So this is one of my products, and I get the very best email leads possible. Okay. Now, what you can do is you can go ahead and grab an image of the product off of the website. So you would go to, for example, the website for Boost Opt-in, grab the image. I don't happen to have it handy, so I'm not going to do that right now. Put in the price. The price currently is $97. You're going to grab your affiliate link. In this case, it would be out of Warrior Plus. I'm assuming we're going to give it 5 stars, obviously. Not to toot my own horn, but yes. Okay, and then basically you're just going to click Post Product to Store. And that's pretty much it. It's super simple. Let's put it in test.com just so that it can see something there. Okay, you can also choose a date and time. So, for example, if you're doing something that's going to be in the future, you can choose a date and time. If not, just don't check that, and then you click Post Product. Okay, I guess it wants an image. Let's just give it something or other. Oh, let's see. PNG. That's not going to do it. Oh, I don't know. Thumbnails. Here. Let's just grab a random thumbnail here. This is something old, but it doesn't really matter. Post Product Store. Okay, and boom, we're done. That's it. It's super simple to do this, really and truthfully. Okay, now obviously you're going to set up a store, and we can actually see. 1 second. Okay, thank you. Okay, now. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the store real quick. So you can see that Boost Opt-in has now been added with this image, which obviously makes no sense because this is for Affiliate Tuber, but whatever, doesn't really matter. I was just grabbing a random image as other people have done here on this thing as well. And it's going to give you a store logo, your store business. You can actually customize this over here by Customize Store. You go over here and you can actually go ahead and put in a URL for the, you can put in all different details of your store, give it a name, give it all the different details you like. Okay, and you can also go to My Products. Okay, it's actually, everything is done for you. Basically, all you're going to do is drive traffic. Now, I know you're going to say, oh my God, Eric, forget about it. I don't know how to drive traffic. Good point. So first of all, as I said, you're getting an Instagram shout out from me. Okay, number 2 is that this thing also includes driving traffic. This is really cool. Check this out. All right, so you can actually set up accounts on all the different things: Blogger, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, LiveJournal, Instapaper, and Write. I don't know what Write is, but I assume it's some sort of a website that you can drive traffic from. And basically what you can do is you're going to connect your personal accounts from all these different websites and go ahead and connect it. And then once you do that, it'll automatically post your newly listed items to every single one of these various websites so that people will be able to see it instantly. Now, obviously, that's not going to get you the traffic all on its own. That is why ba-ba-da-ba-bum, you're getting an Instagram shout out from me. If you pick up any, I forgot to mention, you pick up any upgrade in addition to 8 other bonuses that I've got from the vendor, I'm also going to give you an SEO backlink package. Now, what does that mean, a backlink package? So this is very cool. Basically, in order to really rank something, you need backlinks. You need links pointing to your site. Okay, now this gets you started with these things, but I'm going to give you more from other services. It's going to be something that doesn't have your name on it, doesn't have your IP address on it. This costs me money directly. That's why I'm only offering it when you pick up an upgrade, but you're going to get it from me. This is, again, something you'll spend 20, 30, 40, $50 on in order to do it. I'm going to do it for you for free.
Really, it's free.
Of course.
Yes, for free, really. Anyway, so that's basically what you're going to get from me. It's a really simple thing, and this is nice because a lot of these kind of things, I've purchased some of these things, and a lot of them are really complicated. They're difficult to use. This one is very, very simple. Okay, there's not a lot of options here, which is what I love. Okay, it's very, very easy. Okay, you can just add in all these different things over here. You just add in all the URLs and your passwords, obviously. All right, products again. You can see over here which products have been added in. You can see the prices of the products. Okay, you can go and look at them. You can edit them, whatever you want. Very, very simple, very basic, and it's going to show you, of course, how many products you have overall. And if you scheduled anything, it'll show you what's been scheduled. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. So, am I giving a tip of my hat to the product creator or not? I got to tell you something. I am often leery of software like this because I find that very often it's kind of like says that it's going to give you something amazing, and then in reality, it's like doesn't really work the way it's supposed to work. In this case, yeah, it works the way it's supposed to work. It's great. Tip my hat to you guys. Awesome job. Beautiful piece of software. I love it. Go ahead and grab it. You're going to love it too, especially if you get in early when the prices are lowest.